What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger. And today we are gonna go down my friend Elijah's. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Elijah's down his longest trail, his homemade trail that he made at his house. Let's do it. So yeah. Huh?
Change the camera.
No.
Turn it around. You have to turn it around. It'll be easier.
Fine. There. Which way is it?
No. Yes, it's this way.
Okay.
All right, let's go. We're in
Don't call my fins weirdos.
No, they're not weirdos.
He's gonna be touring us.
This way.
Okay. Oh my god. I have to run down this cliff right now. Yeah.
Right.
I want everybody to be saying hashtag Elijah in the comments. Everybody in the comments say hashtag Elijah.
Spell E-L-I-J-A-H.
Yeah. In the comments say Elijah loves cars. And I'll like your comment. And heart it. Okay. See? Guys, look at this view, bro. Look at this view, bro. Bro, look at that. That view is the best. Very kind of windy outside right now. I think it's gonna rain tonight. Yeah. Cactus. All these. All those. There's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot, dude. This guy's giving me a little walkway. A little slow. Yeah. Yeah, this guy, he's all about the wilderness. I'm not. Sometimes. Yeah. Bro, this view is amazing, bro. Look at that. Look at this view. Look at that, bro. Look at that sky. That sky. I feel like it's gonna rain. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Oh. Wow. Nah. This is a way to get yourself killed in a horror movie.
Right there. So I can trade it.
We can walk down that right now. Let's do it. There's a pool. Hope you guys saw it. If you didn't, womp womp. Look at those palm trees. Look there. Look at that. It's windy, bro. We should go inside after this. Maybe watch the movie. I already watched the Minecraft movie. It's really good. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, we're almost done, guys. Don't worry. Whoa! This truck, which I will not be showing because private property, of course. So yeah.
Oh yeah, don't show the light.
Yeah.
What is wrong with my phone?
I don't know.
Go.
I bet everyone. Okay. Trash. Don't litter, kids. It happens. Yeah. Okay, guys. So that is the end of the video. Going down this trail, seeing this beautiful view. I don't know. I can't show it right now. But yeah. Bye, guys. See ya. Bye.